I thank very, very, very much to Allah for blessing me with my life, for blessing me with a multifunctional complete body from head to toe, head with brain, eyes, ears, nose with two nostrils, mouth with two lips, 32 teeth, face, arms, hands, body, legs, and feet, and most important thing is the soul, by virtue of which I am alive, am talking right now. So if you are a creator, you need material, and you know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided everything, any kind of, all kinds of material on or inside the earth. And as a believer, it is my duty to worship Allah, to pray Allah, to acknowledge everything that Allah has given to me, has blessed me with. And in this regard, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, that jinn and human being have been created only to worship Allah. And if we worship Allah, if we remember Allah, Allah will remember us. He will keep us in His remembrance. In Al-Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Fazkuruni azkurkum washkuruli wala takfurun, that if you remember me, I will remember you, and thank me and don't be thankless. As far power is concerned, all the power is of Allah. In Al-Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Annal quwwata lillahi jamiyya, that all power, everything, all power is of Allah. And we have to keep remembering Allah, keep praying Allah, keep worshipping Allah as far as we are alive till our last breath. In this regard, in this context, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran, وَعَبُدْ رَبَّكَ حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الْيَقِينُ, that keep praying Allah, keep worshipping Allah until your last breath, till your death. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give me and every believer on the earth to worship, pray, and thank Allah and acknowledge whatever Allah has blessed all of us. Assalamu alaikum.